Assalamu alaikum. Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fine and good. So let's start our topic culture and society. Before starting the chapter, first we will discuss the term culture. Culture means the custom, traditions, belief, value and art of a country or a people taken as a whole. Let's define society. On the other hand, society is defined as a group of people living as a community or an organized group of people for a common purpose. Class, the main is communication. So, our topic is communication. Communication means way of keeping in touch with one another. When we communicate by speaking, writing, or by making signs, we get information. So, the purpose of communication is to give or receive information to and from someone. Language is a medium of communication. Language can be spoken, read, or written. It is important that we understand communication communicates information. So, information is knowledge about any issue, problem, event, process, or subject. So, information is knowledge about any issue, problem, event, process, or subject. Okay. So, the information gives valuable because it can affect our behavior, decision, and outcomes. So, here we have ways of communication. Nowadays, there are different ways in which we can communicate with one another. Number one is post office, radio, newspaper, telephone, email, and television. Now, let's have discuss first one, post office. So, an earlier form of long distance communication was written and sending and receiving letters through the post office. Post office are not only for sending and receiving letters, but they also take money orders and pensions where there are no banks. They deliver parcel at a lesser cost than most private couriers. So the next one is newspapers. Newspapers are another way to communicate news. Pakistani news are published in English, Urdu, Sindhi and other local languages as you already know, like Dawn, Jung, Daily Express, Fahadat in Punjabi language, Daily Mehran in Sindhi language. Some newspapers are published daily and some weekly. Most newspapers also update on their website online. So the first newspaper in Pakistan is Daily Amroz. Yes, it is an Urdu language newspapers in Pakistan published daily in Karachi. This is one of the oldest newspaper of Pakistan that originally started publishing from Lahore in the newly independent Pakistan soon after 1947. So the next is radio. As technology advanced, radio became a way to communicate with large number of people. It was used to relay important speeches and announcements and plays were performed ball to ball. So there are numbers of radio stations even today. FM 102.7, FM 104.3 and FM 97.1. So I think you all heard this station. So next slide is telephone. So millions of calls are made every day. From Pakistan, you can make a telephone call to any country in the world. Cell phones are popular with users because they carry it easily. They have many interesting features and can also be used to send text, pictures, audio and video messages as you already done. Okay, so as you all know, technology advanced, new models of computer and cell phones are being developed. Computers are now small and compact like laptops and tablets as you already use in your daily life. Okay, so your next heading is email. Email is the most modern and quickest mean of communication these days. It is the system of sending messages by electronic means from one computer user to one or more users through a satellite network. Okay, so your next heading is television. Television is also an important means of communication. It is used for entertainments and for education and news programs. Sitting in your homes, you can watch television programs from all over the world through artificial satellite and cable networks. So class, student, this is all about your topic communication. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you all like this video.